to my channel Ayurveda and your health. Friends, today in this video I am going to tell you something about hibiscus tea benefits. Hibiscus tea is very beneficial for your health, and I am sure that 99% of people don't know the benefits of drinking hibiscus tea. We can also call it as a Gudhal tea. And the tea revolution is taking over the world. The health benefits of tea are becoming common knowledge these days, and the prices too have skyrocketed. But what I am going to tell you today is that you can prepare tea from one of the easily available ingredients in your kitchen garden. And it's hibiscus, which can be grown in plenty in your kitchen garden. Its name is hibiscus. Its origin is from Africa and plant type is shrub. And this tea is made from dried and brightly colored calyces of hibiscus, and this is particular red drink. It is very sour in taste and it can also make your mouth twitch. It can be consumed according to your preference, either hot or cold. It is very low in calories. It is caffeine free. So you should drink this tea if you want your health benefits. So before going ahead, I want to tell you that please subscribe my channel Ayurveda and your health. First benefit is, friends, hibiscus tea, it prevents from hypertension. Hibiscus tea is also known as to reduce the risk of hypertension. Not only clinical trials but scientific studies do support this claim. This tea helps to lower the chances of hypertension even in healthy people. This effect of hibiscus tea is because of its anti-inflammatory properties and diuretic properties. What you have to do, you have to consume 3 cups per day for a few weeks so that it works properly. Hibiscus tea, it also lowers the mental stress. It is rich in flavonoids and it carries antidepressant properties. Hibiscus tea also helps in fighting depression. Drinking it lukewarm tea, it calms your nervous system. It reduces the anxiety attacks by making you more relaxed. Another benefit of hibiscus tea is, friends, that it helps in balancing women's hormones and it also reduces the menstrual cramps. So drinking warm hibiscus tea, it helps to soothe the painful menstrual cramps. This tea can balance your hormones, thus easing the cramps and fighting several other health issues during menstruation. Another benefit of hibiscus tea is, friends, that it reduces the bad cholesterol and it protects against heart-related diseases. It is full of antioxidants that help in lowering LDL, or otherwise known as bad cholesterol, in the body. This in turn brings down the risk of heart attacks, strokes or any other cardiovascular disease. Hibiscus tea also keeps your liver healthy. Liver is a very important organ of our body. Any liver related problem can throw your life out of gear, and the antioxidant present in this tea, it neutralizes the free radicals in your body, tissues and cells. Thus liver is well protected from these scavengers. Another is, friends, that hibiscus tea improves your digestion. It helps in curing constipation, indigestion, etc. by improving the overall health of gastrointestinal system. Hibiscus tea, it contains a lot of antioxidants, and because of this its tea is anti-aging effects. Antioxidants in this tea, it reduces the visible signs of aging from your face, including loss of moisture, elasticity and wrinkles, thus giving you your youth back. It is very good for both summers as well as winters. You can drink hibiscus tea as either a hot tea or an iced tea. If you want to keep yourself warm in winter, brew it and drink it straight away. And in summer, if you don't want to drink it hot, you have the option to drink iced tea. Hibiscus tea, it also works like a body coolant. This tea has instant cooling properties. Being diuretic, it helps in flushing the harmful toxins. Chilled hibiscus tea can quench your thirst, and that is why many sportspersons gulp it down. This tea also prevents you from cancer. It contains procachoic acid, which has anti-tumor and antioxidant properties. A study suggests that hibiscus slows down the growth of cancerous cells by inducing apoptosis. Friends, I think you would have liked my video. Please like it and share this video so each and everyone must be knowing the benefits of hibiscus tea. And don't forget to subscribe my channel Ayurveda and your health. Thank you, friends.